गिरेगा नहीं हम लोग
ये देख इधर देख अरे विक्रम
ओ
या
आणि
म्हणू शकता आम्ही म्युन्सिपालिटी 2017 जीएससी रिपोर्ट दिल कपिला ओनर जितना मेरे को नॉलेज है कपिल ने उसको जीएससी का रिपोर्ट भी आया है कि बिल्डिंग इज नॉट इनटू proper state of condition, it is in a dilapidated condition. It is a problem to the people, pedestrian, and the people staying in the building or they are not staying in the building. They are doing business over here. See, it's a commercial complex, it's not a residential complex. So there are people on the first floor also and there are people on the ground floor also. So there is a GC report, there is an eviction notice of the municipality which has been given to them and the municipality is not acted on it. And further thing is that Kapil has already given letter to the municipality that if anything happens to the building tomorrow, कल कुछ भी building को हुआ तो he will not be responsible for it. That is what I want to tell you.
I had gone to the shop there and then I had come to pick some stuff over here. Okay. पळयता म्हणल्यार भितर घुसता म्हणल्यार आवाज आयलो जाल्यार आमी मागीर सगळीं भायर आयली आवाज आयला म्हणटरी पयला लागून कुडको पडल्या पयले अशेंच दिसलें पयले तर कोण साधूशी म्हणपा लागलो आप इधर से गए तभी म्हणपा लागलो ऊपर से गिरा म्हण घेवन पयला बिल्डिंगाच्या सिलिंगाचो कुडको आसता तो म्हाजी गाडी फास्ट चुकला म्हणजे हेजे पडला तो आय थिंक थंय हांव आसत जाल्यार म्हाजे गेल्ले आतां जीव इट्स व्हेरी डेंजरस नो टू कीप सच व्हेकल दिस थिंग बिल्डिंग्स ओवर हियर when it has become old then you people demolish otherwise if it have fallen on my this thing head then I would have gone no it is life risk जाऊ ना
केन्नाची घटना ही
आता है just I think just 15 minutes 10-15 minutes only and it is shocking actually
मग तू त्यांना जस्ट पास झाले
हय अरे आयला आनी हांव दुकानार गेला रे आतां घेवपाक स्टॉक घेवपाक गेल्ले तुजो म्हळ्यार वो जाला आवाज हांगा आवाज काय कितें म्हण समजूकच ना म्हाका